Hi, hello, Om Sai Ram. Welcome to Sai Nakshatra Collections. I am Raksha. If anyone new to the channel, please subscribe Madi. Subscribers 100 rupees off ಇದೆ. If anyone are interested in real beads customization in silver and as well as 1 gram gold, please do contact me to the number displayed on the screen. Another completely real beads collections ಇದೆ in silver and as well as 1 gram gold. So today very beautiful original fresh water pearls to customization nodana. First is our very beautiful fresh water pearls. These are original fresh water pearls. 5 mm shape barutte and it is completely round in shape actually and whitish in color. 5 mm 3 lines 18 inches long ಬಂದಿದೆ and very beautiful ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ರಾಯಲ್ when you just wear your pearls with pearl earrings and pearl bangles. It has its own elegance. Pearls will always be in trend. So ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಪರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ 18 inches long, 3 lines. So if anyone are interested in simple like this, you can go. Otherwise, any making in fresh water pearls will also look good in silver and as well as in 1 gram gold. Making bekidre any designs if you have, please do ping me to the number. If you just send me the designs, I will make according to your designs. So this is priced at rupees 5,500, free shipping all over India. Fresh water pearls. Idu nimge gram wise barutte. As per the grams it will be. So next gogana, the very beautiful silver making. This is around 26 inches long bandide. Back chain ಸೇರಿಸಿ. So I've just ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಅಂತ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಒನ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ 26 inches ಲಾಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರು. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಬಿ, ಪಂಪ್ಕಿನ್, emeralds and pearls combination ಅಲ್ಲಿ multicolor silver, completely pure 92.5 silver with 22 karat gold polishing ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. So if anyone are interested, you can do book your orders. I am still giving you in the same rate. It is 2,200, free shipping all over India. It's a very affordable price as I am giving you in offer price. ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, do book your orders. These are readily available with me. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಚಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಯೋರ್ ಎನಿ ಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ವೇಟ್ ತಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಹಾಲ್ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 50% ಬೈಬ್ಯಾಕ್ in any shops next time, like later on in few years admel, if you want to exchange it, you will definitely get 50% buyback in any shop. Okay na? Idu repolishing ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. There's option of repolishing at any point of time. Okay, so this is priced at rupees 2,200, free shipping all over India. So next gogana, it's a very beautiful Chetan rubies, 3 mm in size, 5 lines, 20 inches long barutte. This is priced at rupees 5,200, free shipping all over India. Ma'am ಗೆ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿದ್ರು. Ma'am has sent me this picture. This is in full stock with me. If you want to make in 4 mm also, I am ready to do it. Okay. So next bandu, this is Taiwan corals, original Taiwan corals, 3 mm in size, 3 lines, 20 inches long ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿದ್ರು. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಬುಕ್ ಇಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿಲಿ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು. ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್. 3 mm in size, I have 5 mm, 6 mm, I do have in all sizes. If you want in these sizes also, I will make it. So this is priced at rupees 2,100, free shipping all over India. Real original Taiwan corals, 20 inches long barutte, 3 mm in size. Okay, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ 100 rupees ಆಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅವೇಲ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಆಫರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಬುಕ್ ಯೋರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ 20 inches long, 4 lines of Chetan emeralds, fresh water pearls, button pearls adu, then emeralds, and you have a very beautiful silver making in this. Very exclusive silver making. So this is price is rupees 3,200, free shipping all over India. Still now I'm giving you, look at the closer look. Real original Chetan rubies, Chetan emeralds and fresh water pearls, button pearls and silver balls use madidini. And you have silver nakshis also here. 20 inches long barutte, and this is the price at rupees 3,200, free shipping all over India. Yargadru interest idre book your orders. Still I have in stock. Okay na? Thank you so much for watching my video. Please hige nange support ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Bye, we will see you in the next video.